Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we actually have a brand new Hot Wheel RLC car. But before we get into that, I do want to point out I have a giveaway going on right now on my store. Hop on to shopemptyparadise.com. You guys can get entered into this. I'm giving this away to one of you guys. It's the 1968 Custom Plymouth Barracuda. Thing looks absolutely amazing. Very detailed, really awesome. And like I said, I'm giving it away to one of you guys. So all you guys have to do is hop on there, and for every $5 you spend, you can automatically get entered into the giveaway. I have a bunch of Hot Wheel mainline, premium RLC, monster trucks, super treasure hunts, regular treasure hunts, all kinds of stuff, and even some car-related products as well. But there's going to be a link in the description down below. Go check that out. Hop on to shopemptyparadise.com. Get entered today. It does go on to the end of the month. And everything on my website right now for the whole month is 10% off. So definitely take advantage of that sale because I don't do that very often. And 10% off everything on my website automatically applied at checkout. So like I said, go check it out. But today's video, we're going to be checking out the brand new, it's like the Selection Series, and it is the 1972 Skyline H 2000 GTR. I think this thing looks really cool. Let's go ahead and take it out of the protector and check it out up close. I know they did come out with some Hot Wheel RLC 2000 GTRs, which I do not have any of those, but I think this looks really cool anyway. But it has a really nice purple Spectraflame, and then even has like that kind of cream color. I don't want to say it's like it's not a white, but it's more like yeah, I guess cream kind of describes it. It's not really quite like a tan, but man, even like the bronze wheels look really good as well. This thing does have a lot of attention to detail up in the front, and then even the back is really detailed, which looks really amazing. Man, look at all, even like the taillights and everything. Even has the 2K GTR, so 2000 GTR as the license plate. Man, even like the little spoiler there on the back looks really cool, really detailed. And man, I think this car looks awesome. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of that. Man, actually I think they did just come out with this in the kind of Advan livery. But man, the thing is so cool. And they got the little Selection Series right here. Oh yeah, the 2023 Selections car. And it's kind of like in a chrome writing. They got the name of the car, but man, this thing looks awesome. If you guys do want to read that information right there, let me get it where it's kind of clear, and you guys can pause that and read it if you want. But man, I like how they did a little window there as well. But let me know like what you guys think of this car. Do you guys like that purple? Do you think the color scheme is good? I know it was voted on by everybody, so I know like the majority of the people wanted purple. They wanted those wheels. And then also I really like how it even has the little RLC right there as well. A little decal. Let me see if I can get it to focus there. Man, this car looks incredible. But were you guys able to snag one of these whenever they came out? But I actually do have one available on my merch store. I was able to get a couple of these. I'm going to keep one for my personal collection, have the other one on there as well. So if you guys are interested, there's going to be a link in the description down below. And if you guys hop on and grab one of these, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. So you don't want to miss out on that. Plus, like I said, 10% off. But if you guys did like this video, it's real small, just kind of quick unboxing and like checking it out a little bit. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, not just like this, but other videos like case unboxings or even some other Hot Wheels, checking them out. But like I said, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.